Morning everyone. I thought I'd do a video today on cold water, sort of inland rivers swimming. So one thing with wild swimming you need to be aware of is how you get in, and obviously the potential for cold water shock. You need to get in nice and slow, make sure that your body can acclimatise, because believe me, if you just fell in here, you'd be in for a pretty big shock. So progress into the water, let your body acclimatise at different stages. Don't think, you know, it's better to get straight in and get it over with. That doesn't work. So let your body acclimatise. Take a bit of advice from Wim Hof, the old Iceman. Breathe in, so really deep breaths. As you get colder, as you get further into the water, remember the breathing. And just let your body acclimatise. The worst bit is top of your back and getting your shoulders in, believe it or not. So just make sure, give your body a chance to just take it easy and relax a bit. You know, make sure you're doing your deep breaths. When the rest of your body's acclimatised to some degree, that's when we're going to try and get the shoulders in. Just deep breathe through. And that's it really. There is a load of health benefits to wild swimming, wild dipping, but you've got to take care. Health benefits include things like increased circulation, pumps more white blood cells through your body, it can reduce the likelihood of catching colds, it boosts your immune system. These are all really good. Don't just jump into cold water, people. You've got to take things easy, but the benefits far outweigh everything else. It increases mental health, can improve your mood, increases concentration. All of these benefits are scientifically proven, but you've got to take real care. Don't stay in too long either. The benefits of cold water immersion, the physical benefits at least, are the same whether you're dipping a river, the sea, a lake, the bath, or have a cold water shower. You only need to be in 30 seconds to a minute to start reaping those rewards from cold water immersion therapy. However, the mental benefits differ slightly from if you're doing it inside, maybe in a bath or a shower, because you live in the city, can't have access to open water. You know, you're missing out on some really nice benefits really. Being in nature, increased and better mental health, you know, the improving of mood because you're out in the sun. So those benefits can be missed by doing it inside, but the physical benefits, the things that are going to make you feel good, the increased endorphin rate, you know, the increased circulation, the increased immune system, regardless of where you do your dips, be it inside in a bath or a shower or outside, they are the same. Is it worth doing? Yeah, it is. I've been doing it since October, already feeling the benefits, and I miss it when I don't do it now. The thing with it is, like with any sort of outdoor hobby or sport, you've really got to take care, respect nature, because nature can turn. Don't take undue risks and hazards. But from a very beautiful Pateley Bridge, thank you very much for watching my video. If you do like these videos, I am on YouTube. This is where this is going. I also post to Facebook as well. Check me out on Facebook, William Wright, you'll see me. I've got a penguin hat and I'm swimming. On YouTube, I'll be posting this video. If you do see my videos on YouTube and you do like them, you think they're informative, please leave me some comments as to what your experiences are. Ask me any questions, and please like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom. I really appreciate that. But any questions, any concerns, just want to chat, drop me a message in the